Right, welcome to another vlog. I look like a complete donut. I bought myself a fake North Face jacket, hat, still waking up, as you can tell. Got the coffee, about to go do some island hop there. Quite excited for this one. But yeah, covered the fuck up today. I reckon that's alright. It makes my head look a bit square, but my head's already quite square. So gonna go get picked up now. Wake up, come on. Stop the smile, bro. Right, our ride has arrived.
Really good to see you.
Right, we're on the ride. He's doing with us today.
Chiangmai's kind of, I mean, it's okay.
I
but
like
it's, you know, it's a big
Chiang
city.
It was like crazy.
Oh yeah, how was that?
It was fun.
Yeah, we're
It
gonna go
was,
jump on a long tail boat and then start island hopping.
yeah,
But if you were excited.
I'm on a mission to get water.
Oh, we were as well. Right, we've arrived at some sort of boat dock. Alright, we're loading. They've actually got shade on this boat. This is good. This is really good. The only Brit with all the Americans. This could either be really good or really bad. Where we are though. Yeah, boy.
I'm right next to you.
Okay, so I think it's like 10 in the morning and they're already on the beers. Look at this. Mate, I think we're gonna have a sick day today. It's gonna be mad. Look at the fake hat. Get on.
What's your mom up to?
I heard.
You said you wanted to take us to the hospital. You wanted us to take us to the hospital. He goes take me to the hospital.
Right, so we've arrived at our first destination. The water is insane. I can't wait to jump in this, it's gonna be great. Do some snorkeling, I wish I brought like a waterproof phone. Can we jump off them?
My rash guard.
Oh, guy weeing in the water, lovely. Okay, so we're at Koh Island, is what the guy called it. Like a little swimming trail just to the other island over there. Do you know what I've got? Apart from the group, like I'm separated from the group just because they're all over there doing their thing, but I feel selfish even trying to make this a video about me. This is, like, the scenery is mad. The water's crazy clean. There's so many people here though. Obviously you can tell by all the boats. But honestly, I can't wait to get in the water, have a quick swim. We've got 3 more islands, so we've got a really busy day. As you can see, I've covered up just because I don't want to get burned. That's the last thing I want. Yeah, it's just, I think I'm gonna just enjoy the island for now. Take it all in. Spend time with Koh. Yeah, just enjoy it.
Yeah, they charge us 200 baht each to come here.
Oh really?
Yeah. But it's okay, Tammy got us and we'll just pay her back.
Well, they charge you, we paid for the day out.
Yeah, but you we're just taking your claim.
Okay, so as you can tell, the tide has come up. Our time has ended here. We've been here for an hour and we're off to the next island. Got some sun cream on now as well, just due to the fact it's hot as fuck. But it's lovely, honestly, it's lovely. Enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Really fun.
Say hello to Tammy.
Vlogging.
Which one?
This chicken with the neck and the head. It's like a chicken.
Oh yeah. I mean, yeah.
About 17 seconds. Good. Thanks.
Right, so we've arrived at our snorkeling destination. Gonna jump in the water. Like I said, I wish I had a
This reminds me of that
waterproof phone or DJI so I could film underwater. I'm probably gonna put the phone down and go enjoy some of the scenery.
I would say it's like 5 meters.
Can you dive?
Yeah.
I don't want to dive.
I'm not used to warm water like this. This is amazing.
Check the depth for me.
I'd say it's about 5 meters.
Just dive like that. Do you know what I mean?
I break my face. I'm blaming him.
Yeah. No, I'll take full responsibility.
Take full responsibility. Chuck me them down. Ready?
Thank you.
Ready? Catch.
Thank you. Right, so we're doing some snorkeling now.
Is there a lot of fish?
Yeah, on long tail boats you can't hear a word you're saying, so there's no point me talking.
Look at that. Yeah, we'll be going there. Wow.
Right, so we've arrived at the next island. Mad. Absolutely mad. Right, we've parked up. Everyone's got their food. Look at that. I think this is probably one of the best places I've had a meal. last island. I think this is where Railay Beach is. We actually have a hotel booked just over there
Walk down that way.
for a few days. Well, we might as well go see this way.
Yeah, Railay Beach is all the way around there.
Come, let's have a walk this way and then we'll go that way. We'll be quick. We've only got 20 minutes, that's the only thing. So I have to keep that in mind. We are literally in the jungle. This is... If I was someone good, but yeah. We've got a quick walk to Railay Beach and then we've got a quick walk back.
Wow.
Is this Railay? What the fuck, man? Got our matching shirts.
I know.
My face is burning, mate. Yeah. This iPhone's dead. I need a new one. Oh, there it is, there it is.
Yeah. On the road again. Wait, let me write down.
Do you want to explain what just happened?
So, we done the 4-island tour, which was amazing, like absolutely amazing. Best thing I've ever done, probably. And then I like beaches now. And then we got a tuk-tuk, dropped American friends, close family.
Jim and Tammy off, just right there in the villa.
Yeah. And now we are on our way to our hotel.
Pretty self-explanatory. She told us what we've done today. Might end the vlog here. What a way. We're just getting the lift back now to the hotel and we're relaxing. Mate, nice and sun-kissed. We might go out to dinner with them as well. If we do, then I'll maybe record a bit more. Yeah, that was a really, really fun day. Really fun.